Do I have horns? Hey guys, what is up? Hope you are having a fantastic day. I just walked in the door. I had to go to my other office. No worries. That is a one-woman show over there. No one was there in my office but me. Social distancing. But now I am home and I am getting boat orders ready so I can take them to the post office tomorrow. I'll show you what's sold today. I sold this. This is definitely my favorite from this past restock. Was the Chick-fil-A. I love this one. This is my favorite part though. Oh, it just reminds me of a chicken. So fitting. I'm so glad someone bought that. That one was one of my favorites, and this watermelon was one of my favorites too. And they both sold. See the watermelon? Got the watermelon up there, and the rind right there, and the cute little felty. I love these. Anyways, those two sold. Someone also bought the faux leather clippy. You guys know how I am about this pencil print. And I also sold the Hoppy Easter kit, the one that I showed you yesterday with all the cute little Easter bows. Got a bunny bow in here, and we got a bracelet. So yeah, I'm just getting all that ready to ship. And I just remembered that we have got a birthday coming up for a special friend of ours. So I might make her a bow. She's into Frozen. And the only Frozen print ribbon I have is this right here. And it's from last year. And it says little sister all over it. Although she is a little sister, she's also a big sister. So, yeah, she's a middle sister. So I don't know if I'm going to use this. I might just, I don't know, might just have to do like a Frozen theme with a Frozen bottle cap. If I can't find anything. We'll see. But I think I did a bow a couple years ago. And it was Frozen, but I don't know if I still have that ribbon. So yeah, I want to work on that. I also want to make another bubblegum dish, bubblegum machine bow. And share that with you guys. And the one I'm talking about is right here. This is what I did for Kennedy's last birthday. She had a bubblegum theme. Oh, goodness, I can't even get it off. There we go. And I made this for her to wear. And I shared it on Instagram, but I never did a tutorial or anything. So we might do that today. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. The weather was pretty good here. It's not raining, which is always a plus because it's usually raining around here. But, you know, my husband was able to get out and find some ground beef, so that's a plus. Still no toilet paper anywhere, but we still have toilet paper, so we're good on that end. Yesterday I was off, and the neighborhoods around here are doing that bear hunt. I don't know if your neighborhoods are doing that or if you've seen it on Facebook, but basically you just put like a stuffed teddy bear in your window and you ride down the road, and the kids can hunt for bears and just count the bears that they found. Anyways, Kennedy found 34 bears yesterday, so that wasn't that bad. I think next they're going to do an Easter egg hunt, so she's in there making Easter eggs right now, coloring different Easter eggs, and we're going to put them on the window so kids can come by and hunt them probably next week. So yeah, that's kind of keeping the kids busy. I thought it was really cute too. So that's what I've been up to. Enough of chit chat. We will now do some creating. This bow is super easy. We're going to be making a pinwheel style bow with white 7/8 inch ribbon. The rest of this bow is using red 1.5 inch ribbon. And to make the bubblegum machine shape, all I did was I found a coloring sheet online of a bubblegum machine. I printed it out and I made a template with just regular cardstock. Cut the pieces out. Then I got my red ribbon and I'm going to piece a few pieces together Then I am going to spray it with Stiff and Quick, get it good and stiff, and then you're going to take your template pieces and you're just going to cut out these 3 pieces. These are your bubblegum machine. Then you'll need small pom-poms. You can use the big ones, but the small ones look like bubblegum. And I also have a silver button. This is a flat back button. Of course, you don't need this. If you don't have it, you can find something else. But this is going to be like the little turn dial on the bubblegum machine. And then all I did, I finished it off with a cute little bow made with 3/8 inch yellow ribbon. See, it's super easy. First, I'm going to cut 4 pieces of the 1.5 inch red ribbon. I'm going to seal each end of the 4 pieces, and determining how much you need. You'll need to go by your templates that you cut out with your cardstock and put a couple of pieces of ribbon on top of each one. Like, I do know the base of the bubblegum machine does need 2 pieces, and you'll be putting them together like this. We're going to glue them and spray just like this, and then we're going to trim them in the very end. And the other pieces, you'll be good with just 1. So yeah, determine how much you'll need by the size of your templates. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to go ahead and seal these. Even though I am going to be trimming them, I still like to seal them before I spray them, just in case something frays. Alright. You don't have to do this part until the very, I mean, you don't have to do that, but I do that. Alright, so I'm going to put my template away, and I've got a piece of foil laid down. Now I'm just going to lay them out and spray the fronts and backs. You want them good and stiff. Alright, so I'm going to turn them over and just spray lightly because I kind of soaked through. Alright, now I'm going to let these 4 dry. Don't put them on top of each other. Alright, and once they dry, of course, you'll need to put 2 pieces together for this, and you can use a little bit of hot glue, but you definitely have to make sure that they are dry. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let these dry. I'm going to set these aside. For the next part, I'm going to be taking 3 pieces of 7/8 inch ribbon, white. Each piece measures 10 inches in length. And I said we were making a pinwheel, but to be honest, it's 3 tuxedo bows, and it's still in the shape of a pinwheel. Alright, so I'm just going to take my ribbons and form a circle, and then press down in the middle and crease down the center, and that will form a cute little a tuxedo style bow. Now you can make these as long as you want or as short as you want. You just clip them a little bit shorter, and this one I think it measures about 3.5 inches. Alright, so again, do that for all 3 pieces. Just crease and secure all 3 pieces. Now that we have all 3 tuxedo bows complete, we're going to put them all together and secure them to make one bow. So you'll just want to take them and secure them by their middles, of course, and you'll have 3, just like so. And then take your thread and wrap it one more time. Alright, now you have your base, and it's really important that you go ahead and put this on your clip. Alright, and once you have it on a clip, you are going to take your pom-poms and you're going to put them right here in the center of your bow. And if you want to take one of your little templates, I'm still waiting on those red pieces to dry, but if you want to take your template and kind of put it right here at the bottom as a guide to where your gumballs need to go, you can go ahead and do that as well. But put your gumballs, and all I did was use a little bit of hot glue right here in the center. And again, you can use your template if you don't glue those pieces on first, but I went ahead and added my pom-poms, and then I'm going to add my red pieces once they dry. Alright, I went ahead and made a cute little yellow bow with 3/8 inch ribbon for the bubblegum machine. Now, of course, you don't have to put a bow on it, but I like to put a bow on everything. So that's what I'm going to be doing. When you get your pieces of red cut out according to your templates, go ahead and trim them and then go around every little edge with your lighter to make sure everything is sealed. You don't want this fraying on you. Alright, so go ahead and do that with all 3 pieces. And then we just have to assemble it. Of course, this is going to go on the very top, up here as the top of your gumball machine. Look at that, it's already starting to look like one. And then of course this is going to go under your gumballs. And then of course this piece is going to go at the very bottom. And then you can add your silver button if you have one. You can also use a regular button, or you know, you don't even have to use anything. Alright, so now just glue your pieces together, and then the finishing touch will be the cute little bow. And you don't even have to put you can put the bow wherever you want to. You can even put it up here, but I'm going to put it right here in the center. Alright guys, I told you it was super easy, and now you have a super cute bubblegum machine hair bow. And this is what we did Kennedy's birthday party. It was bubblegum. That was the theme. And we did like bubblegum machines everywhere, bubblegum beads. She had this in her hair. It was so cute. But I've always loved bubblegum machines, and the primary colors, I just love them all together. Anyways, I thought this was super easy. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. I hope you guys had a wonderful day, even with all the craziness going on. I had a wonderful day. First of all, we found ground beef, we found Mountain Dews, we found my aspirin, so still no toilet paper, but it's okay. And my husband surprised me with a new Ronaldo. It's the month of April. It's the bracelet for April. And I started in January. Ronaldo does this collector's club. And I'm all about collections. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to do the collector's club. And I'm going to see it out until the month of December. And so far I have. But yeah, he surprised me with that. I didn't even know that my friend's shop was open, because I know they have, it's just been hitting them really hard, all this craziness. But they own a little gift shop here in town, and that's where we get all my bracelets and candles and other goodies. And it was just nice to support them, because like I said, they've been hit hard, just like all other small businesses and even big businesses that are laying off. Anyways, we're not going to go into all that. I did have a good day, and I hope you guys did too. And I will not be posting a video for the next 2 days. I am going to take it easy, and I still might film, but I'm just not going to go through the editing and the uploading until Monday. So, hope you guys have a good weekend, and I'll see you Monday.